The weekly code quiz. What are the types of lists you can code? Unordered lists, ordered lists, definition lists, and nested lists. What is an unordered list? Unordered lists are lists where list items do not have to be in a particular order. What is an ordered list? Ordered lists are when the list items have a particular order and can also be thought of as numbered lists. What is a definition list? With a definition list, you are listing terms and then defining those terms. What is a nested list? Nested lists are when there are lists within other lists. Write out the code for an unordered list with 3 list items. How would this code for an unordered list display? Write out the code for an ordered list with 3 list items. How would this code for an ordered list display? Write out the code for a definition list with 3 terms. How would this code for a definition list display? How do you nest a list? To nest a list, when you get to the list item that has a sublist, before closing the list item, you will add another list and then have each list item of the sublist. It is only after the last item in the sublist that you will add the closing tag. What would this code look like? And how would this code display? Presented by Designers Learn Code.